Hello, my name is Kelly and I work on a detector experiment called Sen, which is a detector in Japan that's trying to detect neutrinos. So we want to detect neutrinos because they are very mysterious particles. They're almost massless and they move through everything. That's also why the detector is underground. And we would like to know what their mass is and what their properties are. And we would also like to know if the neutrino is its own antiparticle, which is what I'm gonna hopefully figure out before the end of my PhD. So at the moment I'm working on data analysis and on simulation. And for the simulation I work on to see how a muon moves through the detector and then bumps into xenon and other particles. And some background can be created by that, and that's what I'm trying to simulate and see if we can actually remove that in the detector itself. So I think what brings me the most joy in doing a PhD is that it's really centered about developing yourself. So you are expected to go to symposia and meetings and actually also do whatever you want to do. So if I want to read something else than neutrinos, I can do that. And if I want to do outreach, I can also do that. And I also love that I can go to these meetings abroad. I even went to America. I'm gonna go to Japan. And there you meet a lot of other scientists. And that's really cool because they might have done a lot of very interesting stuff. But when you meet them, they just talk to you like you are at the same level, which I find super cool. Any advice for anyone that's thinking about doing particle physics? Don't be scared. You are smart enough and you can really do this. I always thought that I was not smart enough, but I read the books, I did the assignments, and now I'm doing a PhD, which is super nice. And also it's just very interesting and not as scary as you think it's gonna be. You learn a lot about life and the world. I guarantee that if you try to get into particle physics, you will have a great time.